In the previous video, you have seen how to record and execute a script. If you have not seen the video, select the link above to go to that video. In this video, you will learn how to execute a script with dynamic values using Excel. Requirement. My requirement is to create 10 different materials, each with a unique description. These materials have different weights, need to be extended to different plants, and require different GR processing times. The changing fields will be handled as dynamic values and the remaining fields will stay fixed. I'll start by creating the first material and record the script. Recording the script. I go to Customize Local Layout Settings, select Script Recording and Playback, provide the desired file name and location, and click Record. Now I perform the steps that need to be repeated. A very important tip, always enter /n before the transaction. This ensures that the screen always opens as a new screen. I now enter the material number, industry and material type. I'm selecting only two views here, but you can select all views required for your scenario. Next, I enter the plant from the first record. Then I enter the material description, base unit of measure, material group. I'm copying the gross weight and net weight from Excel. In the purchasing view, since the plant is already selected, I enter the GR processing time. Once all details are entered, I save the material. Now that the steps are complete, I stop the recording and close the window. Editing the script. Next, I go to the folder where the script is saved. Do not open the file directly. Use Open with Notepad or any text editor. Here, you can see all the recorded values: transaction code, material number, plant, description, weights, and GR processing time. At the bottom of the file, I add next to repeat the script for the next record. Just after the last end if statement and before the segment with session ID, I am pasting the piece of code. You can find the same code from this video description. In my case, I need 6 dynamic fields. So I copy these lines to ensure I have 6 of those lines. Since I want to use the first row in Excel as the header, I change the value of I to 2, indicating that the script should start reading the values from the second row. Preparing the Excel file. Now I copy all the dynamic values into a new Excel file. Since the first material is already created, I remove the first record from the Excel. Now this part is very important. Do not disturb the fields that need to remain fixed. Only for the fields whose values must be picked dynamically from Excel, replace the existing values in the script with these variables. These variables will fetch values from the Excel file in the exact order defined here. So be careful while assigning them. In my case, this is the sequence of fields in the Excel file. So the first variable must be assigned to the material field, the second variable to the material description field, and so on. Accordingly, I am assigning the first variable COL1 to the material field, the second variable COL2 to the material description field, and continuing the same way for the remaining fields. This section must be updated with file path and this text with sheet name. Executing the script. Now, as everything is ready, I keep one SAP session open and double click the VB script file. The script now runs automatically using the dynamic values from Excel. As you can see, all the materials are created successfully. The materials are extended to two different plants. GR processing times updated correctly and the descriptions, weights and other fields are updated correctly.